How y'all doing? Brad here. And what y'all think about this? Old Brad Pitt from Fight Club. I got a picture of a Pinterest and I just put it on my phone. Kind of went back and forth. Also, I had it on my laptop at the same time. Anyway, this took just a hair over 2 hours to complete. About 30 minutes to pencil him in and another 20 or so to ink him in with my micron pens. And then with his red jacket and his hair, I used my Copic sketch markers. And then his shirt with his motorcycles and everything on it, I just used color pencils. I thought that'd be a different touch and everything. That's pretty amazing, all that stuff he's got on his shirt and everything. But not like his old red sunglasses and everything. But yeah, it was a crazy fight and the old scar on his face and everything. I used pigment brush tip pens for the red and everything, and I went back with a Copic marker, a pink one, kind of give me like a little rash going on, whatever, and everything. But anyway, I like it. I might have made his hair too tall and everything, but what to say, he wouldn't grow his hair out before he shaved it off and everything. But that really came out really good. I really like the detail in his face and everything, his eyes and all that. Yep. Done his hair with the Copic markers. Anyway, I enjoyed it. Shading and all that took a little while, you know. And then my jelly roll pen, I done the outline of his jacket. I don't know if y'all can see that or not on his, yeah, a little bit on it. Anyway, all the motorcycles and everything, but I try to get the pose somewhat right. There's a one cocked up right down there. You know, the folds and everything in his old red leather jacket. But I like it. Anyway, 2 hours. This has got to be one of my favorites of all time now. So, I think I really, really like it. What y'all think about it? Let me know. It's old Brad. And, thank you for watching. Alrighty. Bye.